The KSU Jaintia Hill Circle, under the leadership of Education Secretary Justice Paul Lingdor, went to inspect the Kiang Nangbah Government College, Chowai, accompanied by Leningrad Taryang, Organizing Secretary Praki Tubru, General Secretary. After a thorough inspection by the KSU Jaintia unit, it was observed that one of the popular institution of the area, Kiang Nangbah College, is in a pathetic condition. Looking at the whole building, it was observed that in each and every nook and corner of the building, the water was seeping inside through the walls and roofs of the building. Speaking to the media, the KSU Chowai Circle expressed dissatisfaction over the maintenance of this college, being one of the oldest college in the area. It was supposed to be looked after nicely, but the government failed to do that. As observed, it is quite risky for the students if they have to sit for examination or for classes because the ceilings, the rooms, laboratories are found to be totally damped. They urged the PWD department to not only repair but to renovate the whole building of the college. Since 2014-2015, they have expressed their concern over the same issue, but there was no response from the government. But this time they came forward to request the government to see into this matter, as it is impossible for the students to study in such conditions.
Niliang ikam geseng KSU Jaintia Hill District mereka uji kerek lang warga KSU Chowai Circle dewan inspek i leniman lipat i gini ke college gini ke Kiang Nangbah Government College po UM po Chowai ko de em ko de man ko win ke college ko de rim tam gini than gyong i ko dem haduk ki ngetika de em haduk san police nem te ka kamuman ke jing pa jong i de chemi wa chibun ke jing duna hiliang yong gini college naduki infrastructure untuk facilities ku per untuk kam yang student kamtam hi building chemi wa bon ma ha jing duna ha jing pun krek ni pun chana ye gini gi building ini kamu ada yoi haga ni ga size block ko gi kam size block la chemi wa gi ceiling ni kita gi hot ki wala jorong chemi wa jing dun man gi wa da di senjor ni pun krek gi wo ha man go le ga juma ye gi khna go puri hani ka thang ki tho exam ni so class ada ga sarkar hi ling PWD krek go wo repair la ni wo renovate ling yang ikam KSU senya wi wa dap di mesin mesin Kiang bo yo i wa ga jing krek torti ye ga ni ga building ko mem biang gi wanda dong hadong aduk ki lamp aduk ki roof la ni ki ceiling man go mem go biang te kerpado ya ka PWD tanah PWD wo pencenan ago untuk tukat wo repair and renovate and pun thame pencenan go du thame ya kata ga tenum yung yang ketika wi ke building kamjo le gi khangit gi lam nadu ki facility ki per hagani ke college te kamu chemi nadu ka surrounding yang ni ka college man gi bom mem yu bhadi ni daw sarkar kamu pungkumu nadu ki sinem zakat san wa i de perchangi ni dia kami student de perchangi mi khamat wo dowa ye hok wo dowa wo pemiat pempa ye ni college ko maya yang i henrik sarkar penap ko yiti jing dowa ngi wo zakat san bansi student wo mi khamat wo do usa bom satin student haiti po district hapo da DC office te heni por nga kerpa da sarkar wo humhoi upun bor go ye student ni ham bor ye kam gi konkro yong ni ka than wo mi khamat wo do wai hok chau pha once khamat yu krek lang ni